Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a soft, fluffy and healthy treat, steam raisin bread. No oven, no kneading, just simple ingredients and wholesome goodness. Let's start. In a mixing bowl, add 1 and 1/4 cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now crack in 1 egg. Add half cup warm milk. Mix everything well into a semi-thick sticky dough. Steaming reduces the use of oil or butter, making it lighter and heart-friendly. Eggs add protein and structure to the bread. Steamed bread is popular in many Asian cuisines and is softer than oven-baked versions. Cover it and set aside for 40 minutes to rise. Once the dough has puffed up, add 3 tablespoons of raisin and mix gently. Grease a 6-inch mold with a little oil. Pour in the dough and spread evenly. No kneading means no mess, just mix and steam. Let it rest again for 15 minutes. Top it with a few more raisins for a pretty finish. Raisins are packed with iron, potassium and natural sugars for energy. You can also use dry fruits or chocolate chips instead of raisins. Boil water in a deep pan and steam the bread for 20 to 25 minutes on medium heat. Don't open the lid while steaming, it affects the rise. And just like that, your soft and sweet steamed raisin bread is ready to enjoy. This is a great lunchbox or tea time snacks for kids and adults alike. So will you try this soft and healthy steamed raisin bread at home? Tell us in the comments if you are a fan of steam recipes. Like, share and follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more oven-free delicious ideas. Until next time, stay sweet, stay simple and keep cooking from the heart.